perfect volume. Group number 1, some things are noisy at times.
Like in China,
now the class is much better.
चाइना बहुत डेवलप कंट्री है। चाइना बहुत डेवलप कंट्री है। What are the countries listed in the graph? कौन सी कंट्रीज ग्राफ बताई गई है? बंगला Tell everybody.
China, Sri Lanka, Burma, Iran, India, Pakistan, Nepal, and Bangladesh. Okay, tell.
Okay, how many countries have high literacy rates or less literacy rates? Can you explain from the graph?
The highest literacy rates is China, Sri Lanka, and Burma.
Okay. How are you? Okay. I'm not going into how are you saying they're higher. We'll go to that in a different question. But what are these bars?
These are talking about countries have highest rates or lowest.
Okay. Can you connect the numbers with the bars? You have to use either this or this. I will not tell you which one. You have to tell me how do you connect the numbers to the from this one. Which one? This or this? The numbers. Okay. Now, how am I getting these numbers? What is the connection? What exactly is the connection? Okay, sit down. I think I have asked you a lot. Let me ask this question to Tanu. What is the connection between numbers and the bars?
The numbers, their bars are the most amount of.
Yes, in a way you can say that. So what you are saying is that these numbers are shown in the bars. Okay, sit down. Thank you. Ikra Ali, if the number is bigger, then the bar will be taller or shorter? Taller. Okay, thank you. Next question is Saurabh. You asked me a question that they look like same, and why? And the numbers are given. So what will you use then to understand which one is higher or lower?
Minus both and that.
No. Do they look the same to you in the printout? Then how will you tell me which one is higher or lower?
By the mark they are getting the curve like
So these two are similar.
Getting 90.8.
Okay, 90.8.
And Rama is getting 89.9.
Okay.
I can say by the numbers it is getting higher.
Yes, you can say by the numbers which is higher. Now, can you for the class tell us what is the importance of these numbers to the class, not to me?
importance of this number.
Loudly.
That we can say that which number is highest, so we can say the Sri Lanka is highest. If they are the same level, we can say that which is getting high number, so it is the highest, and like which is not getting highest, so it is lowest.
Thank you, sir. Next question. Omkar, what are the countries in the graph? This is a very important question because some of you are making mistakes on this. Yes.
In the paragraph, there are the countries China, Sri Lanka, Burma, and Iran.
Is this a country?
No.
What is this?
It is the whole world average.
Yes, it is the whole world average. Thank you. So, should I give this in the country list?
No. This is
How many of you, be honest, made this mistake the first time? Show me a thumbs up. Of whom took this to be the country? Okay, fine. So what you guys need to then do is, please, you can put your hands down. Next time you do such a question, please read the graph properly. Okay, that's why we have these. Okay.
India, Pakistan, Nepal, and Bangladesh.
Thank you. Sit down. Next, Shweb. Please tell me. What developing country? These are all developing countries. Which one has highest sales?
Where China?
Okay. Give me two evidences to support your answer.
Yeah.
From the graph. Two.
Where in graph where China is very highest country.
Two evidences. Okay, how did you tell me China is higher?
Where China is very big country.
No, China is very big country.
Very big developer.
No, very big developing country. The country is big, size is big.
Yeah. 95.9.
Okay, so you are telling me number.
Yes.
What is the second? Aisha. The bar. Height of the bar. Like you can see that this is the highest, right? Easily. The bar, also the number. This number is the biggest number. This number is the biggest. Okay? Now, thank you. Sit down, Shweta. You just need to be a little more clear about what information this is giving. Next. Let me ask this question to Kajal. Not Kajal, wait. Kajal. Shakib. Question number 5. Read the question, explain the question and answer the question.
What is the difference in literacy rates between the highest and the lowest country?
Yes.
The literacy rate is सबसे highest or lowest country?
No. Explain to me word by word.
What is the difference? क्या difference in literacy rates between the highest and the lowest country? क्या difference है highest और lowest country में?
What is the literacy rate here? How will you should explain that in the question. So what is the literacy rate? This I understand, but what is it? What is the meaning of the word literacy? Able to do what?
Read and write.
Read and write. Very good. Now explain what is the difference. How will you find out the difference? First step.
Highest country is China.
Highest is China. Okay. Highest is China. Okay.
Lowest is Bangladesh.
Lowest is Bangladesh. Okay.
Then
Then.
we have to minus all that.
Okay.
So place number 95.9 and 3.5.
95.9 minus.
53.5.
Thank you.
954. 52. 5.
Thank you. Sit down.
Where is the
Next.